is a review of Razer Barracuda X. This is the wireless gaming and mobile headset. I purchased this item because I needed a headset for my PS5. What really stands out for me is how versatile this headset is. It's perfect for jumping between your gaming session and a phone call. And now the comfort is a big deal for me, and the Barracuda X nails it. It's super light, has memory foam cushions and swiveling ear cups, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions or even daily commutes. The sound quality just brilliant in my opinion. With the 3/4 40mm drivers, your games, music, and videos come to life, giving you a truly immersive experience. I also love the detachable hyper clear mic. It's great for gaming as it picks up your voice clearly without background noise, and you can remove it when you don't need it, which is really awesome. The on headset controls are super handy, making it easy to manage your media and calls, and the battery life is impressive. It's 50 hours, which is really great. In my opinion, if you're looking for a headset that's great for gaming and everyday use, the Razer Barracuda X is a fantastic choice. It's not just a headset, it's your all day audio companion.